Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today's video will be about the photo editing app which help us to make a passport size photo. This app is very helpful. I am using this app from last many years. Proudly I have to say this app is from Nepal, and I will give you the link of the app in my description, and I will show you every steps we have to follow for making passport size photo. Okay, now I am taking you guys towards my mobile screen. Follow this. Okay, I want to start with downloading the app we need for editing our passport size photo. You can search for passport photo editor app, and there you can find this kind of logo inside there. It's named as passport size photo editor from Andro Nepal, and open it. After installing, open it. After opening the app, there are the options. Among them, you have to click on add photo. After that, you have to choose the size you want to make. In my case, I want visa or passport for US. After clicking over there, it will take us to another page where image resolution is asked, and we have to go for 600 dpi. It's good. After that, you have to click in gallery, because from gallery you will import your photo. Okay, now select the photo you want to edit. Okay, this one is photo we want to edit. Now, so start editing. You have to click over start editing. It will automatically straighten your image. Then later you have to click in next, which is step 1. After clicking next, you have to crop your photo. It will tell you to adjust your head and chin. Means you have to point your chin and head. Okay, then later you have to click on crop, and you will get this. Now we are going to change our background, and again click on next, and then in the bottom you will see there is a background color option, and you have to click and change. Okay, now there are a lot of colors we can change, but in my case I'm using white. White is always the better background for your passport size photos, so I'm going to use white background. You can change threshold and offset as a requirement. You can change this. Now I'm going to remove my background by selecting the edges of my body. So in this way you can click over there, it will automatically remove background. It's very easiest way. Okay, be gentle with this editing. Sometimes if it misses, then you have to go for manual editing. Okay, now it's going perfect, no problem. Okay, in this way you have to do. Okay, go on, go on, go on, go on. It's going good. Okay, now you can see background, most of the background is already removed, but if there is something remaining, then you can again go for it. You can restore if there is any mistake in your photo, then you can restore it, and you can restore and remove. There are both kinds of options, so I'm going to restore it. Okay, and you have to adjust your smoothing in your photo. By smoothing you will get better results. You can adjust it, and finally you have to click done, and your photo is ready to save, and click on save. And you have to choose your file size according to your requirement. You have to choose it. In my case, I need 200 kb of photo, that's why I'm saving it 200 kb. Okay, now let's save. Now it's already saved in my gallery. Okay guys, this much for now. This is the way you can make your passport size photo. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my videos, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like this video, and we'll meet you in another tutorial. Thank you.